In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to run Python codes in Google Antigravity. So let's open the Google Antigravity, and this is the beautiful ID. Currently, this is opening. So here, first going to open the folder. So you can open from here or do from there. So let's click this here. The folder going to select the project X. Yes, I authorize, and this that you can get. Let's go on this extension. They're going to write their Python. So Python extension is not okay. Let's give their test.py. Test.py. So here, if I go into this command prompt, let's write there Python version. So you can see the latest version 3.14.3 that already installed. Now if I write there Python, then you can get this. So first in your system, Python must be installed there. Now let's write there print a statement double quote hello world. Control S to save. You can see this Python extension that's come there. So you can install by clicking this install. You can install this extension. So this is now currently installing this number of download. Or here you can also, this is currently installer, or simply you can write there. So let's go, and if you write this Python and press enter. So this here you can see Python or this extension that's downloaded there. So by here you can also download this extension. Now after that here or this that's come there, let's run this code. So run, then start debugging. Python debugger, Python file. And now this is going to run there. Hello world, that's displaying. Now let's do their changes. Control S to save. So let's start debugging here. Dot that's displaying. Sometimes extension here you can see Python debugger. Sometimes that's com. Sometimes that's .com. So this restart extension, or here you can see let's do the uninstall Python environment. Now closing this one, let's open the Antigravity once again, and there is no any extension. Let's go there, write Python. Now here you can see there is error that's come there. So what you need to do, close this, refresh, because sometimes there is a problem with the Antigravity. Now this opening by phrase, and here let's go. This time there is no any problem. Let's start searching here Python. So Python, that's marketplace. Now you can do the installation. Click on this install. So from here you can also do the installation there. So this installing and these two packages also installing there. Okay, so by this way you can also do the installation. So this done here. After that now let's go to the file. This you can do any chances. Let's write there 1 2 3, Control S to save. And now here is the run option, run file you can get, and there you can get this hello world 1 2 3, this that's coming. After that you can use this Antigravity. Here you can also use their Gemini. Okay, so this here Gemini is Here, ask you can ask any question. Let's give there hi. Now this is returning the output. Let's give here add two numbers of Python and include the codes in test.py. So our file name is test.py, so that I have included. Press enter. So this is now generating. So Gemini 4 3.1 Pro latest, that's currently I'm using. This is detected there test1.file. This is still generating, and here this is the code. This is added there. Let's do here accept change. This come there. Now this why this returning. Thereafter this added, simply need to click on this star. So 10 plus 5, that's displaying the 15. So this is how we can do the installation of Gemini. Sorry, this is how we can run the Python code in the Gemini. Sorry, anti-gravity. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.